After the storm was silenced, Jesus and his disciples arrived at a place feared by many. This was the region of the Gadarenes, a land of tombs and terror.
From among the graves came a man no one could control.
They had chained him many times, but no chain could hold him. Day and night he wandered, crying out in agony. But when Jesus stepped onto the shore, everything was about to change. The tormented man ran toward him. He fell before the Son of the Most High God. "What do you want with me, Jesus?" Even darkness recognized his authority. The disciples stood back, unsure of what would happen. "Come out of this man," Jesus commanded. The spirit inside him trembled before divine power. The air grew heavy with tension. "What is your name?" "My name is Legion, for we are many."
My name is Legion, for we are many.
A legion, a multitude of tormenting spirits. But no number could overpower the Son of God. Nearby, a herd of pigs grazed peacefully.
The spirits begged not to be sent away.
They pleaded to enter the herd of pigs. With authority, Jesus allowed it. In an instant, everything changed. The herd suddenly rushed down the steep hill. Chaos erupted, then silence followed. The storm within the man was gone. For the first time in years, peace filled his soul. The disciples watched in awe. "Rise and walk, your faith has healed you."
I can walk!
The man who lived among tombs now sat quietly. He was clothed and in his right mind.
Light replaced darkness.
The herdsmen ran into town.
They're here! Hurry! To the square! Quickly! What has happened? Oh! Oh! The raiders are coming!
Soon the townspeople gathered. They saw the once possessed man sitting peacefully.
The signs are clear, but why this fear?
The elders warned us we were not ready.
The heavens darken.
It is a sign.
Will we be forsaken?
Instead of joy, fear filled their hearts. They feared the power they could not understand.
And they begged Jesus to leave.
So Jesus prepared to depart. But the healed man ran after him.
Let me go with you.
But Jesus had another purpose.
Go home to your people.
Tell them what the Lord has done for you. Tears of gratitude filled his eyes. The boat began to drift away. Peace be with you.
Master, we are here.
But his mission had just begun. He returned to the Decapolis.
And he told everyone what Jesus had done.
And the people were amazed.
Truly, this is a man of God.
We have never seen such things before.
Darkness had lost its grip. The chains were gone forever. The Prince of Peace had passed through. No force of evil can stand before him. A new life had begun. Where there was torment, now there was testimony.
Jesus still brings deliverance.
Jesus still brings deliverance.
No darkness is too deep.
No bondage is too strong.
When Jesus sets you free, you are free indeed.